blessed Saturday, everyone. Inom tayo ng carrot cake. Good morning. Happy blessed Saturday. Shout out all of you guys, especially to those supporting my channel. Thank you so much. Now, little good. Thanks God. Thanks God. May boses na. Dati wala akong boses. 4 weeks. Wala akong boses. Shout out sa aking anak sa Pilipinas. Aking bunso child. Okay na si Ma'am Shi. Sawa ni Lord. Ingat kayo dyan lagi. At sa aking kapatid sa po, si Juliet Ombra. Medyo hindi pa okay ang boses ko. Sis, ito na ako nalabas, nagpainit. Thank you, Neljo Vlog. Aking anak-anakan sa YT World. Code Samoy TV. Kabsat Arturo Vlog. Blanco Vlog. Katri Fitri. Very makasi. My sister. Now, I'm little bit good. I want to stay here outside to the sun and at the same time drink carrot tea. This is a special tea here in the Middle East. Most people drinking any national tea, this is carrot tea. Thank you guys. Inshallah, I can live already. Maybe I don't know because I need a WH for my. I need WH because my appeal this coming December. Thank you to all of you guys. Also, Melon Live. I love you all and God bless us. Drink tea.